Welcome back to fourth exercise of Wobbler steam engine, and it is piston. Piston material 6061 alloy, aluminium alloy. Now this is the, now see, upper diameter 3 by 8 inch, length half inch. Then there is one more connecting rod, diameter 1 by 8 inch, and this is 1.25 inch, the length from top. So before going to change, I'm going to change unit, edit documents unit, and here I'm going to change fraction. IPS fraction, I'm going to choose maximum 128. Top plane, sketch. Now activate circle tool and start from origin. So with the help of left mouse, just click and drag and press escape key to out. Okay, again I'm going to draw one more circle for inner one. Escape key to out. Now let me define this diameter. Now this is going to be 3 by 8 inch. The smaller one 1 by 8 inch. Now exit and activate extruded boss base feature. Now here first go to selected contour and choose the outer circle, so that we will extrude only outer body, not inner body. Now here I have to put dimension 1 by half inch. Make reverse side. See, end condition keep blind, start condition keep as it is. Now again select this one, this is sketch, activate extruded boss base. This time again first I am going to here selected contour, move cursor over circle and select the inside circle. See, this is moving upper side, just change direction, reverse direction, and the length. Press 1 space bar, 1 by 4 inch. You will see the preview, say OK. Now let's define this appearance red. Now here one rectangle 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and depth of this 1 by 8 inch. There is one hole 3 by 32 inch. Then from bottom you will see the corner fillet 0.02 and all radius 0.05. Okay, so let's do this. Right plane, sketch. Now activate center rectangle and press somewhere here. Press escape key to out. Now select this bottom line. Select this one, go inside. Now select, press and hold shift key and select these two lines. Make relation equal. One by 4 inch. Now again put one circle here at center, and this one define 3 by 32 inch. Okay. Now press and hold shift key, select center of this circle and this one, origin point, horizontal relation. Look, this is, it seems fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base feature. Now start condition we will keep same, end condition we will keep mid plane, and the thickness is 1 by 8 inch. Now just look, say OK. Look, now activate fillet, constant type, fillet type, constant size. Fillet I am going to, okay, before going to select fillet, just fillet parameter symmetric, and here put the dimension 0.002 inch, and I am going to select these corner. This is 0.02, only single 0. Okay. Now again fillet. Now this time I am going to put 0.005 inch constant size fillet, and let me select the edge. If I am going to select, see, it is selected whole face. Now select this inside face, so you don't need to select one by one, and I am going to select this corner. Now that's we covered all. Say OK. Now let's save this one. This is part 4 piston. We forget to apply material. Just right click, edit material, go to aluminium alloy, 6061 alloy. See all the properties here. Apply close. Now I'm going to apply appearance, because go to appearance, this is default color, then edit appearance, red color. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.